Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and on today's episode we're making an apricot berry crisp. It's stone fruit season right now in the States, and you know, why not take advantage of it, right? I have some beautiful apricots. We're gonna put those together. We're gonna cook them in a cast iron skillet and make a beautiful apple crisp. Something that you could take to any family gathering and any sort of potluck and impress the hell out of somebody. So stay tuned and let's get cooking.
5, 4, 3, 2.
All right, let's get cracking on with our crisp. We have our apricots that we quartered earlier. We're gonna go ahead and go in with 1.5 cup of sugar, okay? Then we're gonna go in with a tablespoon of vanilla extract or paste, your choice. Then we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of a thickener, tapioca rice flour, okay? This is optional, you can use cornstarch as well. We have about a tablespoon of that. Then we're going to go in with our blueberries that we washed earlier, right? So we're gonna go ahead and go with our blueberries, and we're just gonna give this a nice toss. And the last thing we're gonna add is, of course, a little bit of salt. We're gonna go ahead and crack some fresh salt into this bad boy. Give it a nice toss again. And we're good. Let's get on with the crisp. Now in a separate bowl, we're going to add our flour. This is 1.5 cups of flour. And we're going to add our pumpkin spice. This is just a little dash of pumpkin spice, maybe half a teaspoon. Honestly, it's up to you. It's depending on taste on this guy. Also optional. Then we're going to add some granola. This is completely optional. You do not have to add granola. I feel like the granola adds a little more texture to your dish, and it makes your apricot crisp a little more crispy, if you would say. All right, next we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now we're going to add some butter. This is ice cold butter, okay? I like to use the big holes on a box grater and grate it in. This helps it break up evenly and gets a nice even distribution. So we're basically going 1-to-1 on our flour to butter ratio, okay? Okay, once you have your flour in there nice and grated, okay, we're just gonna kind of mash this up with our hands, kind of break it up until it almost looks like wet sand. And you obviously cannot forget, do not forget salt. Salt helps balance sweetness, helps kind of bring out the sweetness of the fruit and the sweetness of the berries, and it kind of just rounds out your dish. There we go, we're all done, and let's move on to the oven. So our blueberry apricot crisp is finally done. We're gonna go ahead and put the crisp element on top. We're gonna throw this in the oven for 375 until golden brown and everything's kind of bubbling out the sides, even the center, that's super important. So, all right, that is our final product right there, our apricot blueberry crisp. This was super simple, super easy, and I bet it's super delicious. Let's go ahead and dig in and try this guy right here. There we go, that's our bite. Look at that steam coming off that. That is super hot, so I'm gonna be careful with this one right here. Man, this is super hot, too hot. Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Smash that notification bell so you can be notified when I post more videos. Remember, I post every Sunday at 8 p.m. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. So our apricot blueberry, that will be the end of the video. So let's check this out. So our apricot blueberry crisp is finally. So we have all our stuff ready for our apricot. Our apricot blueberry